welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Ray, and welcome to our Tuesday video where I will be cash stuffing my low priority sinking funds, trying to rebuild them $24 at a time. Now we are going to be using some prop money. I have $24 here. We are going to go ahead and get to stuffing these sinking funds, but let's go ahead and count and make sure we have $24 here, and then I will put this money into the bank. If we get any challenges done today, we will pull those funds and replace the prompt money with these funds so that at the end of the month or the beginning of next month, I can actually reallocate these funds to my low priority sinking funds. But let's go ahead and count this money so we can get it into my bank. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So let's go ahead and put this in the back. There is still a couple dollars back there. But I did also have the opportunity, guys, to finish off some sinking funds or some challenges last week, which was very exciting, which means that I will be able to reallocate those to their sinking funds when it is time for me to do so. So what we're going to do is go ahead and pull out my prop money. And I am going to be changing these up next month because I've been having problems with, these are very slippery. First of all, I shouldn't have laminated them, but I'm going to make them bigger next month so that I won't have as many problems with them. And I am going to be changing the way I do my Tuesdays savings challenges stuffing anyway. So be on the lookout for that in the month of August. Now, like I stated, we do have $24 here in prop money. And basically what I'm going to do is roll the die. And whatever I roll, that is how much each of the actual sinking funds is going to receive. So here we go. Guys, with it being Tuesday, I hope you guys' week started off on a good foot. I am actually filming this video on Sunday. So hopefully my week will be off to a good start as well. I had a pretty good weekend. I worked on some orders, and I'm working on some new items that are going to go into my shop pretty soon. So that is exciting. And next week, guys, next Sunday, I will be introducing what will be part of my Ko-fi membership for the month of August. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'm getting a lot of ones here. Sheesh. We're going to start all over again. I only have 6 low priority sinking funds. Not 6, but 5. 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, that was a lot for me, myself, and I. Let's see what general fund is going to get. Okay, 3. Pantry stock up, 2. And then lastly, we have investing, 4. Have a couple more to go, guys. And then we will be ready to stuff these. Whoa. Y'all see what I mean? These things are pretty slippery. I'll do the one now. 1, 2. We have 2 left. And then this last one is going to go to pantry stock up. And what we're going to do now is see how much each of our low priority sinking funds received. So let me move that out to the side. And we are going to go ahead and get to stuffing. Now, self-care. Let me see. Self-care already had $25 still in it. But today it received a total of $152.75. So we have $3.25 to reallocate. I made each of these flowers on this savings challenge, which was created by Steph's on a Budget, $1 a piece, which means we get to color in 3. So that is 1. That is 2. And that is 3. For a total of $3. What we're going to do is set this money off to the side. Since we are done with it, we're going to put this 25 cent back in here. And we're going to keep going. The next one we have is Me, Myself, and I. It received, let's see. Oh, it received a lot. Okay. So it received 1, 2, 3. 2 50s make 4. 75 and 75 is 150 plus 50 is, what's that, 2? So 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. But it already had $1 in here, so that is going to be $7 that we get to put into this challenge. So let's go ahead and put this in here, and I'm going to recount it really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $7. And let's see what challenge we are doing. This is a cute little challenge by, who is this by? Nope, doesn't even have it on here. Oh well. But I made each of these cute little sushis $1 a piece. We are going to color in 7 of these circles to represent the $7. And that is 7, guys. We only have, what, 5 more to do, and we're done with this one. I'll go ahead and put that there. The next sinking fund we have is General Fund. And with General Fund, we're starting on a new challenge. It's called Marry My Words, It's Happy Hour. This was created by Budget with Mrs. P. I made each of these circles 50 cents a piece for a total of $8. And so we have 1, 2, 3, $4. Wow. Okay. So let's color in, what, 4 of these circles? No, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 of these circles. What I'm going to do is just mark off 8 of them for a total of $4, since each circle is 50 cents a piece. And that is it for General Fund. Next we have Pantry Stock Up. Now Pantry Stock Up has funds in it as well. And that is because we finished the savings challenge last time for this one. So this challenge is by Creative Ink Scribbles. I made each of these cupcakes 50 cents a piece for a total of $10. Now it already had $75. And today it is going to receive, look, I'm putting these together like I'm playing cards. So let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. So 450, 5, 25. So we're going to color in, what's that, 10 cupcakes for a total of $5. So give me one moment. And we still have this 25 cents that we need to reallocate for next week. Let's put this back in here. We're just about done. Fortunately, it looks like we're not going to get any finished today. And then last but not least, we have investing. And with investing, we have this challenge by Jessie Budgets. I made each of the icons $1 a piece. Today, this challenge is going to receive 1, 2, 3, wow, 4, 5. This is 150, 650. So we're going to take this 50 out, and this should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. So let's go ahead and mark off 6 of these icons. Okay, and there's still 50 cents in investing. So hopefully next week, which is the last week for the month of July, we will be able to finish off some of these challenges and move some of our real money into these actual sinking funds. But guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment below. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button before you leave, because we will all love to have you here. Guys, I will talk to you on Friday, but until then, be blessed, stay well, and do great things. Bye, guys.